here's another Decorating with Kaye, and show you my little guys I've got on the steps going up to our guest suites. This little candle here is just, the flickering candle. I have one of the little baby bunnies. I have 3 of those, and they're different, they're sort of tumbling. Then that's one of the other little bunnies. This little bunny I got at a drugstore when it was clearance several years ago, as well as this one. As you can see, the bunnies are different, the little bunnies, like the little baby bunnies. And I just do it like a little theme that they're playing around. And then the next one, you'll see they're all different. This one, he's tumbling too. But these 3 bunny rabbits, and then down here, I just put a little basket with some it's just a little, I don't know what kind of plants those are because they're fake, but they look pretty much real. But I got those online, and there you go. That's the tumbling. So decorate with me and enjoy every moment of every day while you're staying in. Stay home. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. But this just another little thing as you go up the steps that's sort of out of the way, that no one can get tripped up on, and enjoy. I love you guys. Until tomorrow.